Greetings again, Mrs. Wade here. Now that we have imported some media into our movie, let's talk about how to create a movie. So in iMovie, I'm going to go through here, and all you have to do, notice we have our music, and it says drag and drop video clips and photos. Well, maybe in the beginning, I want to see the bulldog. Now notice it's a little bit fuzzy on my screen, so you want to make sure your pictures are at the appropriate ratio. Make sure they look nice. Now as I play, it kind of scrolls through. That's what is called the Ken Burns effect. Notice up here on my toolbar, I have this little blue highlighted. If I click on it, you see different things. You have Ken Burns effect, which is where it zooms in. You can crop to fill, meaning it'll just show up with this, or fit. Maybe you just want a still picture. I'm going to change mine to fit so that now you're just going to see a still picture of our Freedom Intermediate logo. I like that because when they zoom in, it makes it look pixelated. Alright, so down here, if I click on my clip, notice when I click on it, it's surrounded with a yellow border. Okay, I can shorten it. Currently, it is 4 seconds long. I can shorten it where maybe I only need it to be 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Or not 2 minutes, I'm sorry, 2 seconds and 15 milliseconds. So 2.5 seconds. There you go. This line is showing where your video is. I can press the space bar now and to stop and start it. Okay, so there's our first clip. Now I want to put in my video. Alright, so I went through and recorded a video. Let's take a look. So notice the very beginning there was fuzzy. You just heard me kind of rattling around. Notice this next part where you're going to hear the microphone be scratchy. Alright, so far 12 seconds of this clip I don't need. So notice I have my stop line there. I want to keep going. And I'm going to stop right here at 13 seconds. I'm going to right click and split clip. Now what I have just done is I have split off the first 13 seconds that are not good. And then I can highlight it with the yellow and hit delete. And now I've completely gotten rid of that gross part. Now let's go on to the next.
I'm here today to talk about the Battle of the Books. In Franklin Special School District, we began the Battle of the Books 4 years ago. We started here at Freedom Intermediate, and over time we've moved to the public library.
All right, notice here I'm on a green screen. So I want to make sure I add in a picture of the public library and Freedom Intermediate. So the first thing I'm going to do is I said we started at Freedom Intermediate, so I'm going to put this on top of. Now, currently,
I'm here today.
I don't see me anymore. Well, since I am in front of a green screen, this only works if you're in front of a green screen, I can click on this picture and go to the top, and I can enable green blue screen. Now, I have done it backwards. All right, I need to change that back to cutaway. And I need to click on my green screen clip, see? So here's the cool thing. Sometimes we get it backwards, and that's okay. You can always fix it. So I'm going to click on my green screen. Now notice it's not there. So what do I need to do? I need to switch my clips, okay? Green screen goes on the top. Now, hey, see, now I'm in front of
I'm here
Freedom
today
Intermediate
to talk
School.
about the Battle of the Books.
Now, I don't like that. I want to have a Battle of the Books icon. So, notice I'm having a little trouble here getting these things pulled apart. So I'm just going to delete that. Oops, it's okay. I can come back. But now I've got to go, remember I said I cut it at 13 seconds. So I'm going to get back to 13 seconds. 11, 12, 13. All right, right click, split clip. There we go. delete. Okay, now I'm going to move that up here. And now I need a Battle of the Books icon. So, once again, I'm coming out here into the worldwide internet, and oh, that's the picture I'm looking for. That's what I need. Gonna drag to the desktop. Okay, maybe. Sometimes you have to play with it just a little to get it there. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'll get out of that. Get back into my iMovie. I need to upload my Battle of the Books picture. Ta-da! Now I can put this there. I need to enable my green screen. Ta-da! And
I'm here today to talk about the Battle of the Books. In Franklin Special
okay, so I want to extend this a little longer.
District, we began the Battle of the Books 4 years ago. We started here at Freedom Intermediate.
Okay, so right there where I start discussing Freedom Intermediate, now this is where I want to put my Freedom Intermediate clip.
Intermediate, and over time we've moved to the public library.
Okay, so here's where I need my public library. Ooh, I need to get my public library picture. All right, once again, it's better if you have all these pictures done ahead of time, but as you can see, I forgot. So I'm going to come up here, do my search. I love this picture, a great fall picture of the library. I'm also going to grab their logo. Now, one thing you do want to make sure of too is that these pictures that you are using have free copyright usage as well. So be careful with that. You want to make sure that you are doing the right thing. Okay, so I'm going to import my two pictures. I'm going to put the public library here. Actually, I think I'm going to start with the logo. I can put the logo in too. Once again, I can change this where it's fitting, and there you have it. So that's how you use green screen. You want to make sure you can move your clips.
I'm here today to talk about the Battle of...
Now, notice within that, I might have to go back and make sure that I'm enabling
here
my
today to talk
green
about
screen.
the Battle of the Books. In Franklin Special School District, we began the Battle of the Books 4 years ago. We started here at Freedom Intermediate, and over time we've moved to the public...
Okay, so obviously there's some things where I might need to cut back a little and adjust, but that is how you enable green screen and add two different clips on top of each other to make it work.